I'm going to be showing you how to get Erudition in Where Winds Meet. So it's actually really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to be doing to get Erudition is know that Erudition isn't something you get from a single quest or item. So it's an exploration attribute that you raise by doing specific activities around the world. So it's used for gear requirements and unlocking certain exploration skills. So what Erudition is that it's one of the game's exploration attributes alongside stats like elegance, perception, memory. So it doesn't increase your combat damage directly, but it is required for unlocking some exploration skills and meeting erudition requirements on gear so you can equip certain items. So if your erudition is below an item's requirement, you'll see a cannot equip erudition required message. So you can use that by exploring every region thoroughly and looking for cat puzzle icons and yellow butterflies on trail, and complete both to steadily raise your erudition, and this will help you raise it. So that's how you get or raise erudition in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.